All right, traders, good morning. Today is Friday. We love Fridays because this is where we have these big moves. We're done early and there's a lot of opportunity. I'm going to add a few of the day trade to win indicators to the chart. I just turned on my computer. The blueprint, the sonic system, very important, the trade scalper, the blueprint, the news indicator, the at the open too. Okay, so we include all of our software in one package, and this is what we have so far. I'm using a 5-minute chart to start off here, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to approach the market. The first thing is that the software is telling us that we have 3 short signals in a row, and they are pretty much going lower and lower. So really what that tells me is that I have an opportunity to be a seller. So direction is really important. The next thing is pinpointing the exact opportunity to be a buyer or to be a seller, in this case a seller, and that is where I want to sell the market based on what the software is telling me. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is John Paul. I'm the founder of DayTradeToWin.com for over 16 years plus, showing traders how to understand price action, how to understand the markets, and more importantly, how to manage your trades. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. I'm going to wait for the next signal. I'm going to trade it. I'm going to share it with you. I'm going to see how much money I can make today. I want to be done nice and early Fridays, and I want you to be done nice and early too. Don't overtrade into a Friday afternoon. Okay, we got our first signal here. It's a short. I want to go short, trying to get a better price. I can see the stop that the sonic system is telling me. I can see the target. So I want to try to get about a 50-50 ratio between the stop and the target. So my goal is to get in at a better price. A lot of traders just jump in right at the entry where the signal, where the software is telling you. That's fine. I like to get a better price. I want to be really in a better position as a trader. Also, because I'm using a 5-minute chart, these trades are going to take a little bit longer. I still am going to show you a 1-minute chart and what that looks like as a day trader, but a 5-minute chart for right now is what I'm doing, and I'm going to switch to a 1-minute chart in just a moment. One thing very important, if this trade hits its target, the trade is considered over. I'm not going to re-enter into this trade. All right, now you see a new signal here. This is the blueprint entry to go short. So remember, I have the sonic, the trade scalper, the at the open, the blueprint, all telling me to go short. There's nothing here that tells me to go long, which is really important. Every signal is lower. I want to make at least $1,000 today, at least, and I want to be done for Friday trading. So far, I'm up maybe $300 or $400. Let's see if this continues lower. I have my stop. I have my target. I'm going to switch over to a 1-minute chart just so to show you what it looks like on a 1-minute chart. And you can see that there's still 1, 2, 3 entries to the short side at least that are all dictating the market is going lower. So it's on the way down. I want to be patient. There's a time element that we don't hold trades past 20 minutes or so. And so I'm only in this trade for about 4 or 5 minutes so far. I'm already up $700. So for those of you who are new to trading, start off really slow, very small, one contract on the micros, then jump to the E-minis if you want. I'm just trading the micros here at the moment. Although it looks easy, you have to have some type of preparation, some type of software, some type of direction to help you understand what to do. There's a new signal here to go short. This is fantastic because now it almost tells me and really confirms that there's nothing conflicting. So my goal here is to hit the target. I just adjusted the target to the sonic system. Fantastic. I got it. I'm going to add the text and marker here so you could see exactly where I entered. This is the only trade so far that I've taken today. You know what? Let's do one more trade. Let me see if I can take one more trade. This is about an 8 to 9 point trade on the micro E-mini or the E-mini S&P. I'm going to take one more trade. I'm going to take the very next trade. Let's see what happens. Now let's follow the rules. Let's make sure that the next signal is just a little bit lower so I know that the health of the trend is still on its way down. I offer a live training with all new buyers of the Sonic or of the mentorship program because I want to ensure your success. I also want to make sure that you understand the rules. Okay, we have a signal here. This happens to be a Sonic signal, and I'm looking for it to be a little bit lower. So I'm not going to take this trade until I see a signal, whether it be the blueprint, the Sonic, the at the open, that is actually lower. This is equal to the previous trade, you can see that they're the same entry prices. So I'm going to pass on this trade. For those of you who are taking this trade, use the stop, use the target as you see it generated there by the system. I'll hit the target. I should have taken this trade, but that's fine. I'll take the next one. So this trade also successful. I'll wait for the very next trade. And also, as a day trader, we have a lot of opportunities. Oh, we have a new trade, an at the open. Okay, so this is the at the open trade to go short at 75.1750. For those of you who don't know, who are interested in learning how to day trade, sign up for a free member account. Get the at the open free as a trial. All you have to do is visit DayTradeToWin.com, sign up for a free member account, and there's a lot of free videos and how-tos and all about limits and stops and all these other aspects that I offer. Get a free member account and get access to some free software and free courses as well if you don't have that already. Okay, so going short at 75.1750, a great opportunity here to go short. I'm going to wait for one more signal here to make sure that we are heading down. Remember, every signal is lower than the previous. So what that means is that the health of the trend is still to the sell side. We don't see any long signals. I have multiple day trade to win methods, indicator systems running on this chart, which helps me identify whether everything is conflicting or anything is conflicting or everything is confirming. And right now, everything is confirming to the sell side. All right, a new short signal, lower than the at the open short. Perfect opportunity, another sell. I'm going to go short. I have the stop and the target. I'm just going to adjust it based on what the sonic targets and stops are telling me. You don't have to use these, and the software actually allows you to have a larger target or a larger stop, smaller target, smaller stop. So you can really configure the system any way that you want, whatever market you're trading. Some of you trade the NASDAQ, the oil, the Dow Jones. I like the E-mini S&P. You can trade this on stocks. We have a lot of stock traders that are now joining Day Trade to Win. And let's see if I can get this target. The target is hit. I'm out of the trade. I'm going to calculate about how much I made, definitely over $1,000. And now, as of Friday, 10 o'clock, I'm finished. If you're not using Day Trade to Win software, indicators, and systems, you're missing out. Visit DayTradeToWin.com. Get these exact signals for NinjaTrader and TradingView. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView.